of line of force, properties of lines of force, electric field intensity. Right. Electric field. Sunday test on whatever I complete by Friday. Electric field. Mank,
Yes, sir.
when you enter in your house, you show I-card.
No.
Why? Your parents, they recognize you.
Yes.
मतलब आपका घर, आपका फील्ड है ना, सब लोग पहचानते हैं आपको.
Yes, sir.
When you enter in college, does the watchman ask कौन सा क्लास में जाना है? क्या वो जाने देता है आपको?
No, sir. वो तो जाने देता है.
मतलब वो भी पहचानता है आपको. फील्ड बहुत स्ट्रांग है आपका. कैंटीन में जाते हैं तो कैंटीन वाला को आप क्या बोलते हैं? ये अकाउंट में लिख लो.
नहीं सर.
कैंटीन गए नहीं रहेगा ना, कॉलेज चालू किधर हुआ?
नहीं सर, स्कूल में था.
अच्छा, स्कूल में था तो उसको उधर बाहर से ऐसा हाथ दिखाते हैं, चलो अभी मुझे सब अकाउंट में कर देना, मंथ एंड में दूंगा.
नो सर.
मतलब वो कैंटीन वाला आपको पहचानता नहीं है, वो बोलता है किधर चला जाएगा क्या पता. तो आपका फील्ड कॉलेज के कैंपस तक है, लेकिन कैंटीन नहीं.
यस.
एक कुत्ते को पता लगाना है उसका एरिया किधर तक है. हाँ भाई, इसमें है ना, तो 925 ना, तो 900 पे रखते हैं. सो आई कैन से एक कुत्ते को पता लगाने का है उसका एरिया किधर तक है. डॉग्स दे यूजुअली बार्क ना.
यस सर.
एक कुत्ता भुगते 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 आगे गया, जैसे एक थोड़ा स्टेप आगे गया तो बाकी कुत्ते कुत्ते भुगने लगे उसको. तो उसको समझ गया मैं अपना गली में कुत्ता शेर है, दूसरे के गली में दूसरे कुत्ते शेर है ना.
यस सर.
चार्ज क्या कुत्ता है.
हम्म.
अभी इसको ढूंढने क्या है कि इट्स फील्ड इज existing till what? Field existing means influence is till what? So if I bring one unit charge means charge due to loss of one electron, also called as test charge. So if I bring this unit charge closer, a stage will come where it will start getting repulsion ka effect. That space surrounding charge within which when unit positive charge placed experiences force is called as electric field. Okay.
Yes.
Again can say, suppose I have one magnet, you are also having one magnet. Will it attract or repel?
Sir, when we bring it closer, it will attract.
That means first I have to bring my magnet closer to your magnet.
Yes.
Then only there will be some space where there will be attraction. मेरे घर से आपके घर तक तो फील्ड नहीं है ना मैग्नेट का.
No sir.
So the space surrounding magnet within which another magnet is attracted or repelled is called as magnetic field. वैसा इलेक्ट्रिक का इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. Not followed.
Followed sir.
Okay, so if they ask what is electric field, you will write like this: the space surrounding charge within which unit positive charge placed experiences force. The space surrounding charge within which unit positive charge placed experiences force is called as electric field. Right. Definition of electric field. Written.
Yes, sir.
Lines of force. Suppose this is electric field of positive charge, this space, which is actually spherical in region, in shape. When I place unit charge here, then it will be repelled along the line joining two charge.
Yes, sir.
If I place here, it will get repelled along this line joining charge. तो ऐसा कितने डायरेक्शन में वो बाहर जा सकता है?
Sir, there are multiple directions where it can
So
go.
can I say infinite?
Yes.
That means this line, which is actually path of that unit charge, the path traced by unit positive charge. The path traced by unit positive charge when placed in an electric field is called as lines of force. Parvati, following? Ashley?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt? Please keep on speaking up. The path traced by unit positive charge when placed in electric field is called as lines of force. Yes, Arshita, Akansha, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, 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 beta. Right. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Properties of lines of force. Can you tell this is which charge?
A positive charge?
Positive, yes. This is negative?
Yes.
Line of force means path of positive charge. पॉजिटिव चार्ज का मोशन को करंट भी बोलते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, current is due to flow of charge and it is ulta of electron. मतलब actually it is direction of positive charge flow. This you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So line of force is also positive charge. तो करंट कौन से टर्मिनल से कौन से टर्मिनल पे जाता है?
Sir, from positive terminal to negative terminal.
Very good. So I got one property. Lines of force will always start from positive charge and terminate in negative charge. I hope you followed.
Yes, sir.
First point. lines of force always starts from positive charge and terminates in negative charge. Starts from positive charge and terminates in negative charge. Will it come back from negative to positive? Yes, will it come back?
No, sir.
No, correct. That means always from positive, it will go to negative. It will go to negative from positive. So it is closed curve or open curve?
Sir, it is a closed curve.
No.
Closed curve.
No dear. It is not closed. ये एक है ना, किधर पीछे है? Closed मतलब क्या होता है? If I start from A, I should come back to A. That is called closed, na?
Okay, sir.
These are different lines, but they are not closing, na? Closing means you should go and come back, no, like this. See, this is the most positive charge. This is negative charge. We have so many lines. Individual line is not closed. They are separated, na? When I can
Yes,
say
sir.
when I can say close, goes from positive to negative, comes back. This is closed. In magnet, it is closed. In magnet, this magnetic line starts from north, goes to south, and within the magnet, it is from south to north. This is closed. This is closed. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So magnetic lines are closed curve, but electric lines are open curve. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. Next point. Electric lines of force are open curve. Electric lines of force are open curve. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is positive charge. This is negative charge. This is space surrounding that charge. From here, field starts. मतलब आया ना, हो गया. अभी कितना चल रहा है? 890. अपन 950 पे रखते थे. हाँ चल 950 पे रख के छोड़ दे रहा ना. 950. See, this is line of force starting from positive and entering in negative. थोड़ा इसको zoom करके देखता हूँ. What is this part called as? This much? What is this called as?
Sir, the line of force.
No, this is called radius of a sphere, na? Radius of sphere, no?
Yeah.
See, what is center to point? This called as what? Radius, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what you are telling is right. इधर से line of force जा रहा है, but actually sphere का radius जैसा है ना?
हाँ, sir.
अभी ये पूरा sphere का radius और ये छोटा सा टुकड़ा, is it tangent? Small part of the curve is called tangent.
Yes, sir.
Tangent and radius are dash.
Perpendicular.
Very good. So एक नया property आया. Lines of force are always perpendicular to the surface from where they start and terminate. Okay, समझा third point? Line of force ये charge से निकला. चार्ज के पास तो स्फेरिकल रीजन है, इधर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है, तो ये आपस में परपेंडिकुलर हो गया ना टेंजेंट को.
Yes, sir.
So I can create one property of line of force. First property I said they start from positive, terminate in negative. Second I said they form always open curve. Third, they are perpendicular to the surface. They are perpendicular to the surface from where they start and terminate. They are perpendicular to the surface from where they start and terminate. Right. They are perpendicular to the surface from where they start and terminate. So, written?
Yes, sir.
Suppose this is ground. I throw a body obliquely in air. What is this body called as? Projectile.
Yes, sir.
And this motion is called projectile motion.
Yes, sir.
Then do you know that to find direction of velocity at this point we draw tangent?
Yes.
To get the direction at point Q, we'll draw tangent. So ये अपना पॉजिटिव चार्ज, नेगेटिव चार्ज, ये फील्ड, इधर मुझे ढूंढने का लाइन ऑफ फोर्स का डायरेक्शन. फोर्स का डायरेक्शन में वेलोसिटी होता है, वेलोसिटी के डायरेक्शन में एक्सेलरेशन होता है, तो टेंजेंट बनाना पड़ेगा ना.
Yes, sir.
तो एक नया प्रॉपर्टी आया, टेंजेंट drawn at any point on line of force represents direction of electric field at that point. Electric field at that point. Right. Next property. Tangent drawn at any point on line of force, on lines of force, represents direction of electric field at that point.
Done, sir.
So I'm just repeating what 4.0. Lines of force starts from positive, terminate in negative. They form open curve. They are perpendicular to the surface from where they start and terminate. Tangent drawn at any point represents direction of electric field at that point. Fifth. Suppose this is one line of force and this is another line of force intersecting. देखते हैं चलेगा क्या. So if this is one and this is second line of force intersecting, then how many tangent I can draw to these curves? How many tangent I can draw?
Sir, we have to draw for both the curve. I mean, a common tangent.
Tangent cannot be common. Point can be common. Tangent तो अलग अलग रहता है ना?
Yes, sir.
That means I can draw one tangent to the first one like this, second tangent to the other one. They are not common. They are different ना? Point is
Hmm.
इसका मतलब ये पॉइंट पे डायरेक्शन ऑफ फील्ड ऐसा भी है, डायरेक्शन ऑफ फील्ड ऐसा भी है. ऐसे चलेगा क्या? फील्ड तो या तो ऐसा रहेगा या तो ऐसा रहेगा. एक ही डायरेक्शन होता है ना फील्ड. कट कैसा
हाँ,
करेगा?
sir.
That means line of force never intersect. If they intersect, then at same point we have two direction of field, which is not possible. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Fifth point: lines of force never intersects. If they intersect, then at same point we have two directions of field, which is not possible. फील्ड मतलब लाइन ऑफ फोर्स वो एक ही डायरेक्शन में रहेगा. इट कांट बी एट सेम पॉइंट ऐसा ऐसा. हेंस वी कैन नॉट assume that or we cannot predict that lines of force intersect. If they intersect, then at same point we have two direction of field, which is not possible. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. United we fall, divided we rise. सुना ये?
Sir,
अच्छा रॉन्ग बोल दिया क्या? सॉरी सॉरी.
हाँ, sir.
डिवाइडेड वी फॉल, यूनाइटेड वी राइज ना?
Yes, sir.
मतलब जिधर फील्ड स्ट्रांग है उधर क्राउडेड है क्या दूर दूर है? यूनाइट हो
Sir,
गया
वहाँ
मतलब
पे
स्ट्रांग
एकदम
रहेगा,
united रहते हैं वो लोग.
तो ये स्ट्रांग हो गया ना फिर.
हाँ, sir.
और इधर वीक हो गया ना. So can I create new property? Lines of force are crowded at the place, crowded at the place where intensity is maximum. Lines of force are crowded at the place where intensity is maximum. Right, 6 point. They can pass through insulators but not through conductors. They can pass through insulators but not through conductors. They can pass through insulators but not through conductors. Now see what is meaning of this. If insulator, then charge cannot move. So there will be field from positive to negative. Suppose this is one conductor. What conductor has large number of free electron?
Yes.
So suppose one electron goes from here, तो इधर प्लस हो जाएगा, इधर माइनस हो जाएगा ना. Losing of electron मतलब पॉजिटिव चार्ज ना. ऐसा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर से इधर गया तो ऐसा हो जाएगा ना. So there will be many direction in which that field is acting. तो नेट मिल के रिजल्ट क्या हो जाता है? जीरो. इसलिए कंडक्टर के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नहीं होता है. बिकॉज उधर ये पॉजिटिव इधर निगेटिव, फिर ये निगेटिव इधर आके इधर पॉजिटिव, तो ये डायरेक्शन का कौन सा डायरेक्शन? रैंडम है. तो नेट जीरो बोलते हैं ना जब भी रैंडम होता है. तो हेलो. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Line of force can pass through insulator but not through conductor because conductor का अंदर फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन है. इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर से निकला और इधर आया तो इधर प्लस छोड़ के जाता है ना. लूजिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन मतलब कौन सा चार्ज?
Positive charge.
So there will be field no from here plus to minus. So this way so many places these electrons are going. So if this is one field, this is another field, what is net? Is it zero?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, so many directions are there. इसका उल्टा भी रहता है. तो इसलिए नेट क्या होता है कंडक्टर पे? जीरो. तो हम लोग एज्यूम करते हैं कि कंडक्टर के अंदर फील्ड नहीं. अगर फील्ड रहेगा तो आपको बैटरी का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. वो फील्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन को पुश करेगा, अपने आप करंट आ जाएगा ना फिर बाहर. Which is not true practically. Not following. Ashley followed. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Followed the concept which I said.
Yes, sir.
नहीं, बाउंसर गया, झूठा बोल रहे आप.
नहीं समझा सर.
समझा पार्वती? समझा?
हाँ सर समझा.
आई शपथ?
हाँ.
ठीक है. So we did what is electric field, we did what is line of force, we did properties of line of force. Now electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. See, intensity means strength. If I want to check my strength, खुद को मार के देखूं क्या? हेलो.
No, sir.
तो किसको मारूं? सामने वाले को मारना पड़ेगा ना.
हाँ sir.
So if I hit my neighbor, उसने कुछ नहीं किया मुझे, तो मैं समझ जाऊंगा मेरा स्ट्रेंथ ज्यादा है. उसने हाथ पकड़ के बजा दिया मुझे, तो उसका स्ट्रेंथ ज्यादा है. खाली दोनों भूल दे रहे एक दूसरे को. ये दिखाओ क्या, ये दिखाओ क्या. कोई को ऐसा लड़ते हैं ना, ये दिखाओ क्या, ये दिखाओ क्या. वो तो दिखा ना, तो बोला पहले तू दिखा. बट जनरली बोथ आर पुस्की, नोबडी इज फाइटिंग. मतलब दोनों का में कुछ भी ताकत नहीं. आर यू गेटिंग मी व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
Yes, sir.
तो अगर चार्ज Q1 को अपना ताकत का पता लगाने का, it should apply force on the neighboring charge or not. That force acting per unit a charge is actually called as electric field intensity. Okay. the force,
Yes, sir.
the force acting per unit charge is called as electric field intensity. It is given by equal to F upon Q. Its SI unit is Newton per coulomb, because it is force related per unit charge. So force comes means it is vector. It is vector quantity directed outwards for positive charge and inwards for negative charge. Any doubt in definition?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, please copy.
Done, sir.
Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir.
So electric field intensity is force acting per unit charge. SI unit is Newton per coulomb. It is vector. Direction is outward for positive, inward for negative. That means if this is one charge Q1, this is another charge Q2, separated by distance R, then intensity of Q1 is force acting on Q2, and intensity of Q2 is force acting on Q1. So if this is positive charge, then at a point P, intensity will be outward because it is positive. For negative charge, at point P, intensity will be directed inward for negative charge. Meaning followed? Now meaning followed?
Followed.
Yes, please write this. Yes, done.
Sir, can you explain third and fourth point again?
This is positive charge. Here is the point. Positive charge means intensity is outward. If it is negative charge, and at that point intensity will be directed inward. Follow now?
Okay, sir. हाँ.
हाँ बेटा। अभी कितना है? HDFC कितना है? हाँ। One four nine four, no? Sorry, bank. 1455 में रखो ना बेटा। हाँ, और उसको फिर कोई भी दोनों पकड़ा, ठीक है। Okay, shall I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, derive expression for electric field intensity due to point charge. Point charge means size of charge is very small as compared to the distance of point. That is called point charge. See, I want intensity due to charge. So I should apply the force on neighboring charge. So here if you assume charge Q, then intensity due to charge at A will be force acting on capital Q. So consider 2-point charges, small q and capital Q, situated at distance r apart in air. Then force of repulsion between them, comma, F equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ by R square. This will be the force of repulsion acting outward on
Yes,
B.
sir.
Okay. Now, intensity due to charge small q is given by E equal to force acting on capital Q. Not followed?
Followed, sir.
Okay. This is then 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ by R square divided by Q. This Q will get cancelled. So can I say E is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q by R square. This is an expression for electric field due to point charge. Okay. This is an expression for electric field due to point charge. Oh, sorry. Just draw the diagram first. Consider point charges, small q comma capital Q, to be placed at A comma B in air at distance small r apart. Therefore, force of repulsion between them. Perfect.
Done, sir.
Okay, everybody is done. Yes, everybody is done. Okay. Can I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Electric dipole. This is one charge, negative, and this is positive. Separated by finite distance and denoting it by 2L. This arrangement is called electric dipole. Di means two. Same way in case of magnet, we say it is called magnetic dipole because it has two dipole. One is south, other is north. Similar to south is negative, similar to north is positive. So as this arrangement is called magnetic dipole, charge wala arrangement is called electric dipole. Two equal and opposite charges separated by finite distance is called as electric dipole. It is as shown below. Then draw this diagram. Right. Meaning of electric dipole.
Answer.
What is meaning of moment of force? Yes, do you know moment of force? The turning effect of force is called moment of force. Turning effect. If this is the body, if I fix here and apply force, then body will turn. This effect is called turning effect, and quantity which is turning is called as moment of force, if you know. Also called as torque, no? Which is given by force into perpendicular distance between two forces. Or we can say R bar cross F bar. बताइए?
Yes, sir.
So we are talking about now a term in electricity as electric dipole moment. So one quantity will come which will prove further it rotates the body. Actually, due to force only it happens. Only definition. It is defined as product. Product means what? Multiplication. No?
Yes, sir.
So it is defined as product of any one charge forming electric dipole. Any one charge forming electric dipole and finite distance between them. Product of any one charge forming electric dipole and finite distance between them is called as electric dipole moment. It is given by, denoted by letter P, Q into distance between two charge. Its SI unit is Coulomb meter. It is a vector quantity. It is directed from negative charge to positive charge. So if they ask define electric dipole moment, you have to write product of any one charge forming electric dipole and finite distance between them is called as electric dipole moment. It is given by P equals to Q into 2L. SI unit is Coulomb meter. It is a vector quantity directed from negative charge to positive. Right down. Gauss law started, Akansha, in the college?
Yes, sir.
Okay, today only they started?
No, sir, they started on Monday.
Oh. They don't do any numericals?
They do.
Means how many? 3, 4 or many more?
We had 30 numericals, out of which sir did 15 of them.
Achha, achha, ठीक है.
Done, sir.
Everybody has done?
Yes, sir.
Derive. Next today. Expression for electric field intensity at any point on axis of short dipole. An expression for intensity at any point on axis of short dipole. So, short electric dipole. Just diagram I am explaining it today. Suppose A, P is 2 point, where we are having positive charge, negative charge, separated by distance 2L. O is center, then OA will be OB equal to L. P be a point at a distance R from center O of the dipole. See, for positive charge, intensity will be directed outward. Correct or not? Already explained. Positive charge, then at point P it will be outward. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
And for negative charge, what will be direction? Inward. So how many vectors you can see now? 2 vector or single vector?
So 2 vector.
So what is resultant of 2 vector if they are in opposite direction? Yes, resultant of 2 vector if they are in opposite direction.
Subtraction of that.
Subtraction. Correct. Subtraction. So next class I will find E1, I will find E2. Larger minus smaller will give me the resultant intensity. Please complete the diagram.
Done, sir.
Oh, so fast.
Yes.
Okay, okay. पार्वती बेटा कल के एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर आपके साथ डिस्कस करेंगे.
Done, sir.
Everybody is done? Yes, everybody is done now, Harshita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, complete.
Done, sir.
Okay, now I can clear this from the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, others have also done.
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. We'll meet on Friday, same time.